In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the limiting reactants easily. The question here says, hydrogen gas reacts with iodine to form hydrogen iodide. If you start with 3 moles of hydrogen and 2 moles of iodine, what is the limiting reactant? The limiting reactant can be found using 2 methods in this case. I'm going to show you the first method, which is the reactant method. So we have 3 moles of hydrogen. We're going to start with that. And we're going to calculate the moles of iodine from this mole of hydrogen. So 3 moles of hydrogen. Now using the stoichiometry, there is 1 mole of iodine, put that on top, against 1 mole of hydrogen. Now the moles hydrogens we cancel, leaving us with the mole of iodine. So we have 3 times 1 divided by 1. That gives us 3 moles iodine. We're going to do the same thing, but this time with 2 moles of iodine. So we convert it this time to moles of hydrogen. So 2 moles of iodine times 1 mole of hydrogen. Divide that by 1 mole of iodine. The iodines on opposite side will cancel, leaving us with 2 times 1 divided by 1 is 2 moles of hydrogen. So we have 3 moles of iodine and 2 moles of hydrogen. The 2 moles hydrogen is smaller. And in conclusion, we can say that iodine, which gave the smaller mole of the reactant, will be the limiting reactant. For the second method, we're going to find the moles of the products. Now, if you have more than 1 product, just choose 1 product and stick to that product. So we're using the moles of the reactant to find the moles of the product. So starting with hydrogen again, we have 3 moles of hydrogen times there is 2 moles of the product against 1 mole of hydrogen. The mole hydrogens we cancel. This is 3 times 2, 6 mole of HI. Now we're going to do the same thing with iodine this time. So 2 moles of iodine times 2 moles of the HI according to this equation, okay? So iodine is only 1 mole. The mole iodines will cancel out, and that gives us 2 times 2, 4 moles HI. So the reactant that gives you the smallest mole of the product becomes your limiting reactant. And that means that iodine, which gave us 4 mole, is the limiting reactant. The excess reactant would then be the other reactant, the one that gave the higher amount of the product. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe or follow for more videos like this.